Hello and welcome to another Shop With Me video. Today we're heading to Red Deer Thrift Places. This is my favorite, Mission Thrift. It's just got really great stuff, so let's head inside. The front lobby is all Easter stuff right now, so we're going to check out what they've got here. I already really love these two little baskets. I'm going to make some Easter baskets up and have those for sale on Facebook Marketplace and through my social media. Still working on that website, but it'll get there. Lots of cute little things. Odd collection of pillows. Little cute signs. Not really for me. Another rack over here. Cute stuff. Nothing screams, put me in a basket. So let's keep going. So cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this plate down here. I'm really loving this. Let's zoom in here. You know, this is beautiful. This is like a modern take on Easter I really like. Should I get it? I don't know. But look at this. This is adorable. This is for sure coming home with me. I'm going to need a basket or a cart inside because my arms are already getting full. This was poor planning. I always get more than I think I'm going to get. And bend more than I think I'm going to bend. So, interesting little pink thing here. I don't know. Okay, let's see what we've got over here. Women's clothes and tons of Easter eggs. If you ever need Easter eggs for an Easter thing, I don't know why you wouldn't go to a thrift store. Don't go to Dollarama. Don't go to Walmart. Come here and have a happy Easter. I'm going to get this too. Yeah, this has to happen. Okay, well, let's head into the actual store now that our hands are full. Let's check out the... What is this? Oh my god, it's like a cactus? Okay, well, anyway, let's look at these pots. That's cute. This is cute. This is a DIY, I can tell. I'm not sure how good of a DIY. Maybe I could do this. It's not a DIY. Interesting. It really looks like someone Mod Podge some lilac flowers on top. I think I have enough pots and I could do this. So we'll continue on. Some more pots over here. Little trinket. That's kind of cute. Oh, look, another cactus thing. Do I need I don't think. No. Okay, this is cute. This is cute. Okay, I'm taking this. This might have been a DIY too on a regular pot, but I'm not sure. It's cute. It's in good shape. Down on the second level, this one's interesting. It feels like it's made out of a tire. Like it's a weird material. It's very heavy. I'm not sure I want it, but we'll put it in the cart because I don't want to come back. And these are great. Made in Mexico. I'm going to have an herb garden this year, and I need pots for myself. So maybe these are the perfect pots. You know I love a beige. So we'll get those. And move on to the little flower section. Always super interesting in this flower section. Really cute. Probably from IKEA or Dollarama. I don't care. Love them. They're cheaper usually. That's what I aim for. I'm not going to pay more for something. And look at this stem here. This stem is normally $20, but unfortunately it doesn't have a price tag. And the rule here is if it doesn't have a price tag, you can't buy it. And that's frustrating because I would like that. I would like it for $3 or $4. I might hesitate at $4. Cutlery section, always check this area out for some utensils, servingware, cute little things. These are definitely adorable. Good shape, and I don't know what these are. Insulated hot pads. What does that mean? Like, it's like a coaster thingy? Trivet? It's really greasy and disgusting. I have to wash my hands now. Ooh, Pure One napkin holders. Back in the day, these would have been my jam. I don't know. If it's $3, I'll get it. It's $5, I won't get it. Maybe I need to get it. Maybe I need to put it in my cart and think about it. And then at the end of the day, we'll make a decision. That's how I roll here. Grab it all, decide later. Some things accidentally creep in. And then we'll take a look at the plate section, see if anything jumps out. These are pretty, but they're really boring, and I don't want boring. I don't want boring baskets. Who wants a boring basket? Nobody does. So we'll keep going, and this is an interesting little creamer. I don't know if I like that pattern. Interesting. Continuing on, what else do we have? Check out the layers. Now these plates down here, these look like a Tuscan moment. Like if I was going to do a Tuscan picnic basket. This could be cute. I don't know if they're for me today. Maybe. Maybe they'll speak to me another time. Not today. We'll head over to the glass and tchotchke section. Randomly a little picture here. It's beautiful. It says beautiful. It's for me. I love it. That'll be adorable for a daughter, sister, mother kind of basket. Nothing too fantastic in the glassware. I feel like someone I know had these plates. But look, another beautiful green bowl. This is coming home. You know that is. Every time we're going to see a beautiful piece of pottery. Do I need a sugar bowl? I don't think I need a sugar bowl. What else could we use these little canisters for? I see them all the time and I love them. So maybe just the bowl today. Yeah. We got to brainstorm on the sugar bowls. More reasons to have them. And let's check out another shelf. This is a cute pattern. Really festive and bright. Yeah. Oh, but they're a set of 4. That's obnoxious. Oh well, we're taking a set of 4. I'm walking away from that watermelon plate though. Are you proud of me? Because this is a hard moment. I'm walking away. Look at me go. Okay. I feel like someone I know had this pattern too. Maybe my mother. Probably my mother. We went through a lot of dishes. These are horrific. Why? No. Like, no. I can't even imagine wanting that in my cupboard. Little sailboats though, that's kind of cute. Not for me. I don't know. How would I make a sail basket? I don't know. Nobody wants that. Cute little mug. I'd probably make it a vase? Vase? Whichever you want to say. Okay, another little creamer moment. Pottery. Pottery is really speaking to me lately, and I love a plain white teapot. $3.50. Heck yeah, that's coming home. These are perfect. This is a good deal. Okay, this. Oh, happy Mother's. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. And it's on a glass tile with Cricut letters. Like, again, I'm going to leave this thrift store with like 1,000 craft ideas. Absolutely definitely need this. Definitely, that's cute. But probably not for me. It's already like a gift. Someone else can have it. I make my own. Back to the mug section. This is sad to me. Nobody should be giving handmade mugs to the thrift store. A, nobody wants them. B, you should keep them. But hello, lovely. Coming home with me. Thank you. This thrift store is really giving me an ego boost. I'm beautiful. I'm hello, lovely. Mazatlan mug. That is a reminder not to buy mugs on vacation because you don't want them. Oh, hey, here's this pattern again. Yeah, I don't think I like it. Do I like it? I don't think so. It's very, I don't know, boring. Oh, look at this one though. This isn't boring. $8? Nope. We are not spending $8 on a teacup. Like, come on. Nope. It's not even like a pattern that anyone would recognize. I'd rather be in bed. Nope. Rather be thrifting. Pause. Yeah, maybe. No. We're not pausing. We are not on pause. We have enough like yoga nuts too. We are looking for the lovelies of the world. These are kind of boring. Look, a sloth. What does sloth say? Soon-ish. Yeah, that's not really me. I'm do everything all the time fast. Now, let's do it. Go! Nothing jumping out to me in the crystal world. No cute, adorable sets of glasses that I just have to have. Nope, nope, nope. Cute little Starbucks mugs. These are always, oh my gosh, you guys, my white mug is still here. The other day I was here and I ran out of time and the lines were really long, and so I stuck this mug back on the shelf and I was super sad, and it's still here. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. This is like a win. I am stoked. Yes. Okay, but look at this cute vase. Moving on from my one cup. I'm too happy. Oh my god. This vase is adorable and a great price. It feels again like a DIY Mod Podge stitch, but it's cute. We are at the end of our shop here, and now it's visitor time. And this is the hardest part for me. Do I get these napkin rings? No. It's $1.25 a napkin ring. That's a bit steep for me. I like under $1. And this vase, I just can't do it. It's so heavy and weird. Someone is going to love this vase. It's just not me. Or planter, I guess. Not a vase. I guess it could be whatever you want it to be. It could be a giant drink mug if you want. Oh, clean it well. And then do I get these? That is, yeah, it's going to happen. Okay, everything else. Oh, this mug. I'm so happy. I love a good sippy cup drinking cup. And I want one in every room of my house so that I'm always super hydrated because I'm terrible at staying hydrated. Okay, well, that's it for Mission Thrift. Good day. Good day. Off to the restore. We are heading into the Habitat for Humanity restore. Gonna check out what's here today. I'm on the hunt for some home things, but first we'll check out the scarf section. The scarves here are pretty good. They're all $2 on sale right now. Normally they're pretty expensive. Everything at the restore is pretty expensive. I do struggle with that, except for home goods. Like if you need a drawer or a cabinet, this is the place. But so they're thrifty stuff, home stuff, clothes. They need to hire someone who knows thrift stores and not just home goods because their prices are off. We're gonna take this gray scarf here. Oh, I love a herringbone, but this is a boring basket too. And I don't need any more scarves. Oh my goodness, we all know I don't need more scarves. I have so many scarves. This is just plain yellow. That's kind of fresh and bright. This is a terrible purple. I don't like that. Okay, well, what's around the corner over here? This one, this like fleece moment here is really pretty. It feels like there's something on the inside. Let's check it out. Oh my goodness, look at this embroidery work. It's so good. I got excited. I couldn't even say embroidery work properly. Okay, it's definitely coming. That's great. And off to check out their thrift section. Cute little teapot. $30. Nope. And look at these mugs. Do we like these mugs? I feel like I don't know how to hold this mug. I feel like I would get a muscle cramp in my hand from holding this mug. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is tendinitis written all over it. Put these back. We are not getting these. But someone will love them. Just not me. Just not me today. And this pattern, this is interesting. I see this pattern in every thrift store, everywhere I go. I don't know where it's from. Does anyone know? Tell me in the comments if you know where this is from, because it's everywhere thrifted. We'll check out their glass section. Again, it's just, they're expensive. Like, sometimes you get really good finds here, so you always have to look. It's important. But yeah, I like my 75-cent glasses and stuff. This cute little mason jar for cat treats, $2. I think it's cheaper at Dollarama. I can't bring myself to do that, even though it's thrifted and better for the environment and all of that. I know that. But I'm also frugal, we'll say. We don't want to say cheap. These are cute little glasses, though, back here. These are pretty. Please be $1. Please be $1. Yes, you're $1. Okay, you are both coming. It's a pretty pastel pink yellow. It's not really showing up on camera how pretty they are, but they are very pretty. I'm excited. Yeah, I have other stuff in my cart. I detoured. Just be mad at me. Okay, let's check over here. These are pretty. I would pay $4. How much are they? $10. That's what I'm saying. 4 little butter knives, not worth $10. And this little stack of Schitt's Creek coasters, as is, that scares me. They have packing tape already, which is going to take off some of the pattern. They're already in bad shape. We have to put them back, even though I love a Schitt's Creek moment. This cute little marble wine set, probably from Indigo originally, $10.50. We are passing. We are passing on that. Okay, what do we got here? Cute little lemon cups. I think I have enough stuff to make like 3 or 4 lemon baskets. That might be my theme on the summer. 50 cents. We are making more lemon stuff. Yep, it's a beautiful thing. Oh, this little thing would be cute for my French basket that I'm really loving right now. But it needs a couple more pieces. Little jar for whatever you want. $5. I don't think I'm doing that. Again, call me cheap, whatever you want. These are cute. $5 each. Again, I don't think we originally paid $5 for these. Pass. Heading over to the plates. These are cute little snowflake plates. Do I need these? I should get these. $2. I should get these. Should I get these? I don't know if I should get these. Man, I'm getting bad at decision making. That's when you know I need to go home. before I go home, quick check of the lighting section because I love lighting. I've done all of my house with lighting from the Restore. I'm on the hunt for 1 or 2 more fixtures and then it will be done. But none of these suit my old farmhouse. But I love this fixture. Oh my goodness. I love modern things, but it doesn't suit my house. So we walk on by. We give up. We say goodbye. Nothing's gonna work here. All right. And that is my haul from this trip. Let's go through it piece by piece, give you a tour. All right. Let's zoom in. We got the red coffee mugs. This is going to be a cheery, bright, fun summer basket. I'm excited. Cute little votive holder here. And then the mom sign for Mother's Day basket in May. That'll be great. I did get this little drawer for myself and I'll figure out a use for it. The bowl here, I love. And then we have more stuff. This Paris box for my Paris set. The love planter, the Hello Lovely mug, and the beautiful vase. Then we move into the garden baskets I got for myself and some Easter stuff. Hoppy Easter and this cute little wirehead bunny and the beautiful sign that I think is adorable. Of course, my mug. I'm so happy. I guess not a mug, a water thing. I don't know what we call this. I'm brain farting now. And this adorable little Roots luggage tag. That was pretty good. That was from the Restore. I know I didn't film that part. The little vase. Sometimes the areas get so busy with people that I don't want to film. Like I don't want to embarrass myself or embarrass people. So yeah, sometimes we avoid areas. And the teapot. But I'll always show you here what I got in my final haul. And this teapot makes me happy. $3.50. What a great price. Scarves from the Restore. Yeah, this one is pretty soft and a different texture to it, and it's great. And this scarf with this embroidery was such a surprise. It's just stunning. Beautiful basket material. That's always my goal. Some mother is going to love this. That's what I imagine. Perfect. All right, well, I think that's everything that I got. Thank you guys for coming along with me, and I'm excited to show you how I make up the baskets in the future. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with all your friends. Until next time.